Oh my god. Oh, whoa.
Okay.
Let's go this way.
No, we don't need that. Go this way.
Hi.
It's gotta be a little scary because
It's pretty. This is... We're here because we are looking for shelves in my room.
Are you excited, Kiana?
Yeah.
Cool. That's so cool.
Like, I like these shelves, like, you know what I mean? They don't have to be as tall. But, like, they have baskets, too. You know? I'm gonna just keep this couch for our living room.
Definitely.
This is serious. I'm just following him, don't follow me.
You're missing a lot of stuff over here. Okay. And there's
Hey, you have to follow me.
you know
No.
about speed racing. We'd really like to see what's in the store.
You have to follow me.
No, Robbie.
Welcome to our living room, guys. This is my living room. I like that.
Actually, really nice. Are you drenched?
An idea to start. Will Lindsay,
So am I.
please sign a small lamp. Lindsay, sweet, please sign a small lamp. Thank you.
It's Bellskin.
The bestest sister ever.
Nothing.
Oh my god, what'd I do? Gonna talk?
We're off to see the wizard.
Wonderful with
Oh, that's sweet. We're going down the escalator. We're going down the escalator. Escalator.
Ollie.
They're all in here, yeah.
Fine.
There's not one, like, specific one.
Hi.
We're going down the escalator.
Kiana.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Is it really?
Robert, wait.
Yeah, it's what store are we in?
Forever.
Oh, I love this. Ooh. I'm getting this.
How much is it?
I don't know. Let's see that first. Where's the tag? God is my angel. I hold your camera. Oh, yeah. Sorry.
Mommy never
What? No, what?
Mom would never let you wear that. Yeah.
Never mind.
You hope you're wearing that like
You're so negative, girl. Every time I put it on her, she always goes, oh, 30% off. Let's go upstairs.
Hold on, Sarah.
This is the follow me around thing. We are following her around.
Focus on those like
Accessories. Need to get some of the camera person in on it. Her sister and person.
turn it off now. Hold on. We'll add each bed. We've never
That's cute. How much is it? Let's see. Let's go back down. Let's go back. Oh, let's go over there.
Okay. It's like
Let's go this way. Follow me.
kids 10 to 14.
Not me, I fit into your stuff and you're 18 and I'm only 13. It says Holly section, yo. Just kidding. This is our section.
Remember funny eating in the store?
Yeah, say bye.
Bye. So I got stuff. I got one thing at Bath and Body Works. And for 21.
That kid was looking at me. No, wait, what? I thought we were going to Delia's.
I mean, we're gonna go to Delia's. We're not even getting pizza.
That's what I thought.
And then
That guy was staring at me. Okay, there's a lot of people. Say bye.
Hey. We're still at the mall. We've been here for 4 hours. And look what I just got. I got frozen yogurt. I got cookie dough.
What?
I got cookie dough with Oreos and sprinkles and I think it's like peanut butter stuff or like peanuts or hopefully it's peanut butter because I don't really like peanuts, but I feel super fat. Cute, I
Is it going? No.